Let's get this stream going. Let's get this stream rolling here. Let's see, GameStop, Power Hour. This, I don't know why this is up here. Let's make sure this shouldn't be up here. Hold on a second. Started streaming less than a minute ago. AMC Jimmy Power Hour. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's X this out. Yo. Pulling up the music here. Hey, happy Friday. Happy Friday. I'm excited. Gotta love the Fridays. Just getting the music and everything pulled up here. We just started the stream. I'm a bit late to the stream, but it was scheduled for 3:20. So let's see when you. Let's see. Get this ad out of the way. Yo, man with tools, what's up, bro? How's your day going? Appreciate everybody hopping on the stream. We are just getting rolling here for Power Hour. Let me know if the music is at a good volume for everybody as well. Get this thing going. Alright. Hey, what's good, Doug? Happy Friday with my plays. SST, AEI, and ATR. You played them? You played them all? That's fire. That's fire. Let's see how they're doing today, actually. ATR, up almost 18%. I knew after ATR broke this resistance at like $4, clean break, you were getting that push. And right now, it's doing exactly that. Big ball and cash and checks, right. How's AEI doing? Oh. You playing puts on AEI or you got out early? Because that is not looking hot. How about SST? SST here. SST also getting smacked. Down 14%. I'm so pissed. I forgot to sell my SST calls. Got busy at work. I'm totally pissed. Damn, it happens. It happens. But yeah, that is a smack. You could have sold out at 34. It's now at 22. Seems like another AMC situation here. You know what? Let me turn. There we go. We are going to. Alright, I knew that was going to be loud, so I muted for a second. I had to turn that on. Okay. Alright, let's see how our baby Amy's doing. And GameStop. Okay, AMC down 6.46%. Alright, let's see what the SPY's doing before I say anything. Lost 800. Damn. That is a hit. You know what? You'll make it back, though. Just don't revenge trade on the day. You'll make it back. You'll probably make that back within the week next week, depending on what's to come. So I'm not liking what the SPY's doing. The SPY is slightly red. It's attempting to hold. Let's see. It got a nice little push early on, midday, early on, right? The SPY got a little push. It's trying to hold this level right around 450. We want that to hold. GameStop and AMC, I don't understand. I understand the sideways trading, right? But I don't understand the absolute bloodbath every day. It's like a bloodbath every day. Down 4%, down 6%, down 8%. How are you, sir? Yo, what's up, Droobs? How you doing? How's your day going? Man with tools. I wanted to buy SST puts at 27, but didn't have the cash available. Yeah, SST puts at 27, and it's at 22 now, so you would have been set. Definitely would have been a good play. SST is dangerous if the SPY keeps moving because I'm pretty sure the short interest is like insanely up there. Insane. Antoinette got mad and sold everything on portfolio. Did you actually? You sold everything out? Listen, it happens, but sometimes a reset feels good, especially if you don't trade long term. But yeah, good luck with your portfolio reset. Hopefully, you stay calm, cool, collected, and trade patiently. Stick to your trading plans, especially with all your capital free now. Let's see. I'm good, bro. Thank you. That's good. I'm glad you're doing good. Uh, a man with tools. Whatever, if you're still in here, whatever happened to those BBIG calls you had, brother? Because I'm pretty sure. Let's see how BBIG is doing. Pretty sure you had those. I don't know if you got out or not. Yeah, this thing started selling off. You still got those calls on BBIG? Let's see. BBIG, did it fill this gap here? I don't know why my computer is so laggy right now. Let's see. Exit. Is this why? Okay, yes. Is this why I'm so laggy? Yeah, that was why. Wow, that's weird. BBIG looks like it got the gap fill. They expire next Friday. All right. Well, good luck with that. Looks like BBIG kind of got its gap fill. You should be off the hook here. We ultimately, if you're in Sundial, AMC, GameStop, BBIG, MULN, whatever it is, you want the SPY to start moving. You want more money to start flowing into the market. So we take a look at the overall SPY. What it's doing is not too hot. Okay, the overall SPY is not doing too hot. We want it to at least come back up and test this trend line about 452. Yeah, at about 452 or so, and hopefully get a break out of this. But the SPY didn't get a double top, which I like. It could be too soon to say, but we'll see. Let's see. Lil All Natural says selling AMC ASAP. Hey, good luck. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. AMC's at 1847. So you could have sold about double that if you just sold a week or two ago. See, ATER is trying to make another run. Yeah, I saw ATER. I didn't have. Let's see, 18. Yeah, ATER looks nice right now. ATR looks like it wants to move. Want to see another clean break over 460. If this thing gets moving again, let's see, ATR. Yeah, you're looking at 570. Yeah, you're looking at 570 the next spot. Dang, just as I say that, it pulled back. Just cooling off a bit. Not too much of a pullback. Let's see. Yeah, you're looking at 570 though if this thing starts running again. I lost on SoFi and MULN calls that expired today. Yeah, Theta probably chewed you up. Just had a 1348 cross on the 5 minute. Let me bring my indicators up here. EMA. Yep, just got that cross. People might start jumping in there. See if the SPY got any crosses here. SPY got a cross to the downside, the last cross on the 5 minute. Let's see, that was the last one. Let's see how the 4 hours looking for this. Yeah, across the downside. Daily has not quite crossed the downside yet for the SPY. Always a good thing to see. Shooting some hoops. Yeah, dog. Let me know. I bought Amazon, Google, and Berkshire. With all your portfolio, you bought those? You got any, you saving any capital to trade with? Or you're just going for it? Amazon's pulling back right now. Looks like it's going to come down to 3,060. Let's see. Google. Let's see how Google's doing. Maybe you'll get some stock splits in. Yeah, all these are selling off. Amazon, Google, let's see, Berkshire. It's just because of the SPY. Need more money to start pouring into the SPY, so. All right, let's see what AMC's doing. I wanted to record the screen today, but I didn't want. Let's see. I didn't want the connection issues again. I'm done with pump and dumps. I dumped money in Fidelity ETF. Yeah, sometimes it gets too much, right? The little push, pump and dump stocks that you got to catch them at like the very perfect time. Okay, so it does get annoying because you're either bag holding, you're chasing, or you just miss the opportunity in general. Sometimes people can blow up their accounts like that. Let's see, Rhonda, what's up, Rhonda? How you doing? We're just hopping in the stream for a little bit for Power Hour. AMC and GameStop. I wanted AMC to hold this level up here at around 1920, right? It's not doing that. This is not the most picture perfect thing you could see, but for GameStop, I do like how it's just hanging out right where it's at 148. And I do think it's harder for them to actually push GameStop down, which you're seeing in live time, right? I don't know how accurate this, but 0 shares will be able to borrow for GameStop, and it's been this way. And I do think that the utilization being at 100% is more so at 100% for GameStop, just due to the fact that the cost to borrow is actually cranking up on GameStop. As for AMC, I don't know where unlimited shares just get poured in and poured in and poured in that are able to use against the stock, but it does get annoying. Down 7% almost on the day. So it is frustrating. Let's see here. I need to go sell off my Charles Schwab portfolio. Jeez, you got a lot. How many you got? Yeah, I got some on Webull, E-Trade. I don't know if I have anything left on my trading view or my TD. Let's see. We want AMC to hold on to that 1840 again. AMC to 100K. Chris, Doug, you must be bored. AMC's a lost cause. Come on, guys. Everybody jumping in here, losing faith. Listen, you don't have to hold the stock. You don't have to buy, right? No one's telling you to buy or sell. But I don't think it's a lost cause. I think if AMC's a lost cause, then the entire market is, because these shenanigans and bullshit happen in every other stock. It's just, we have 100% of our focus on one, so we see everything that's happening. So you can say this is over with, it's bullshit, right? And get out of the stock. But at the end of the day, any other stocks you jump to, eventually you're going to have the same thing happen to you, of course, unless it's like the SPY, like you said, Amazon, Google, right? The big blue chips. No lost faith here. I'm just waiting and making money in the meantime. Right. That's exactly the way to do it. Personally, that's what I'm doing too. I have about 5 to 6 trading platforms. Damn, that's fire. I trade Webull for the charts, Robinhood for easy options, TD for over the counter. Nice. Let's see. AMC selling off right now, $18.34, getting smacked here. Timed your bitch ass out, Chris. Timed your bitch ass out. All right, 1834. Why would you waste a year and a half or so on a stock and then get out? Makes no sense. I mean, yeah, so to some people, they just, they can't wait. Whatever the reason may be, they don't want to wait, or they need to put food on the table for their family, pay some bills, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. And honestly, if you had shares in this and you pulled them out and you didn't want to wait any longer, you couldn't wait, you lost faith, right? When the run-up starts, if you know that it's actually starting and you just grab a call, it'll just, 10x leverage whatever your shares were in there anyway. So I don't think anybody's going to miss it. I think anyone who got out of the play, right, they lost faith, whatever, got out of it, they're going to FOMO back in when this thing starts moving either way, in my opinion. AMC down 7.4% on the day, 1832. See how GameStop is doing. GameStop Still holding strong here. I'm glad I put a put on SST. Oh, yeah. And someone else in here tried to, but they missed it. Honestly, I don't know. It's really risky, in my opinion, to hold calls or puts overnight, especially with these little because I mean, let's just say, for instance, right, the weekend comes, and then Saturday, right, markets closed, and then the Fed comes out and says whatever, Saturday, Sunday, whatever, they come out and say rate hikes will not be happening until whatever, something good, and the futures markets start moving. Come Monday, right, these little small caps are going to be flying with it, so it's dangerous, in my opinion, to hold, especially over the weekend, calls, puts, whatever it is, on these little small medium cap stocks. Let's see here. AMC down 7.10% on the day. Where's the next spot we want this thing to hold at? Yeah, all right. For AMC, this was worst case scenario, almost, right? If you don't hold $18.09, it's not looking good. Honestly, that's going to really piss me off if we don't hold $18.09, okay? Because at that point, you're coming to the lower half of this chop. And I'll just show you what I'm looking at, right? Just to make it more simple here. But if AMC doesn't hold 1809, which is this level you're looking at, this level right here, okay? If AMC doesn't hold here, you're coming to the lower level of this chop, so probably down to $16. If that doesn't hold, that's going to be super bad, and probably worst case scenario right there. That's going to really piss me off. So hopefully we do see a bounce before end of day or after hours, right? I'm hoping we see that bounce. AMC getting smacked hard right now. Oh, SPY just got smacked really hard. Is there any news? Let's check the news here. See if there's any news on the SPY. SPY ETMs to buy on bullish analysts. No, 5 hours ago. Let's check something here. Okay, let's see. Not seeing anything here. The SPY is just getting smacked. All these plays are getting smacked. Let's check Twitter. Anything going on Twitter here? Ooh, not finance related. But Will Smith banned from the Oscars for 10 years after slapping Chris Rock. Wow. Okay, let's see here. Hold on. We gotta. I'm looking right now. Elon Musk said price of lithium has gone to insane levels. Tesla might actually have to get into the mining and refining directly at scale, unless costs approve. UN Food Agency has said that worldwide food has increased by a record 13% in March. Let's see, SEC proposed rules that whatever. Let's see. Not seeing any news, guys. If you know the news that come out, if there's any news that smack the SPY and AMC. Yeah, SPY is still bleeding. Not good. Not what we want to see here. AMC $18.30 here. Still bleeding. GameStop, it did get smacked, but I'm not sure how much they can actually control GameStop here. If we were to get like a gamma ramp going and then FOMO and volume to pick up on GameStop, I think this thing is gonna lead. I think GameStop is gonna lead the pack, especially with this stock split dividend that Ryan Cohen announced. GameStop's 100% most likely gonna lead the pack here. Let's see. I just sold 350 share of AMC. Good luck. It's still selling off. Low of 1827. We want this to hold. Ultimately, we want the SPY to hold. Not looking too hot. This is going to be one of those very weird years for the SPY. Where we're sitting at now, let me see where we're sitting at now. I do think within the next few months, the SPY will touch new highs. This doesn't last too long. Unless, of course, a recession or something crazy ends up happening. But with that being said, you should see AMC up there. Let's see when the SPY was doing good. Let's see. We'll say right here, November to January. Okay, we'll take that time period, right? And then AMC, November. Ooh, started getting smacked. Yeah, that's super weird. Let's see. Yeah, it seems like insider information is spread abroad before something happens, right? When the SPY hit its all-time high right before it started tanking, AMC, and you could probably correlate this to more small medium caps, started tanking well before. I mean, from $44 down to $15, that time period before the SPY even started dropping. Seems like, shorts were tipped off a little bit. Hedge funds, institutions. AMC, come on. This is most likely going to come down and test this level at 1810. Really want this to hold 1810. See, our boy Jimmy is still hanging out here. We have about 20 minutes of power hour. Oh, man. All right. Got timed out twice. All right. MULN up 2% on the day. Got a little bit of a pop here. Wonder if this is... If MULN starts trading sideways for a couple days, this thing could be flagging out here. Let's see. What are the gainers for the day? It seems like the past week, not really anything major is happening. Like, it's almost like a boring market right now. Holy shit. PHIO, as we say that. PHIO is absolutely nuts. I don't know what this is or what this play is, but if you guys got in this, let me know. Ticker symbol PHIO. Absolutely nuts. Up 133%. Absolutely nuts. Pharmaceuticals play. I would definitely not get in right now. Absolutely not. Holy shit. This thing is absurd. It had one of these days before. Take a look at how weird this stock is, right? Look at this day. $6.48. It's going to have another one of those random ass pop days. Seems like shorts just obliterate this thing and then jump out. Let's see. What is the news on this thing? After positive pH894 preclinical data at AACR presentation. PHO pharmaceuticals data for RNAi compound for cancer. Okay, so it seems like they got passed on some sort of treatment or something. Shorts got out before FOMO hit, or are attempting to. Let's see, 83 million volume on the day on a small cap stock. 28 million market cap. Yeah, 28 million market cap. This thing is getting moved like crazy. Let's see here. I'll buy back lower. AMC for life. Now that's what it is. The respect has come back. Okay, all that arguing, people getting mad at you. You know you can't just leave her in the dust. You can't leave Amy in the dust. She's trying. The thing is, it's like you fall in love with the stock, the company, but the CEO, I don't know, man. I don't know. It seems like he's for retail, Adam Aaron for retail, but at the same time, it's like super skeptical. The things he does and the things he says and why he says them, super weird. Let's see. Why is my live chat not opening? Okay. Oh, there we go. Live chat is now opening. All right. AMC bouncing off 1825 here. SPY got a bounce. Okay, that's exactly what we want to see. We want to see a little W form here. And then a move back over 449.30 on the SPY. Better be digging for gold, yeah. The thing is, yeah, Adam can get as much money as he wants, but it's bothering me that he just is not clearing debt for the company and making one of these boss-ass moves like Ryan Cohen with some sort of dividend. Especially because I think he owes it to his investors in general for saving the company. Alright, really not much happening. What's the volume here on AMC? $39 million, very weak volume. Probably gonna have news articles coming out and saying this was the largest pump and dump, whatever. All right, we'll see. Okay, let's see. I think the next screen day for AMC will be interesting because now that everyone will be calming down from, you know what, actually, I don't think this has ever happened. Let me check this out here. I don't think, all right, AMC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 consecutive red days. I don't think this has ever happened. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Check this out. The last time, and this is when shorts are working the hardest, and you know it. The last time AMC had 9 consecutive red days was when it hit the very lowest of the stock, $1.91. That is the only time period, the last time period that AMC had 9 consecutive red days. This is when shorts are trying their absolute hardest to push this thing down here. Absolutely absurd. 9 red days, and they're not like unsubstantial, right? Let's pull this up here. You know, you could say 9 red days and be like, oh, we had 9 red days, 8% loss, you know, over the past 9 red days. But no, that's not what you're looking at here. 9 red days with a 47% loss. Okay. And the last time you saw it, right? Let's go back here. When AMC got to $1.91. Okay, right before the run up right before the run up actually in January. Okay, let's take this here. This is about a. We're gonna have to zoom in here. Okay, let's check it out. 9 consecutive red days right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In that week, AMC had a 30% drop, 9 consecutive red days. But the week before, into that week, this was a 55% drop. Okay, before that rip from $1 to 20. Okay. And then if you take a look, right? Well, when was the next? You know what? We'll just show you guys. Okay. Red days. We'll circle here. Red days. 8 consecutive, right? And then we'll come up here. Delete this. And we'll show you guys in 1 second here. Okay. All right. Here are all the times. Okay. Now everyone's saying, of course, everyone is bringing a reason why AMC is gonna squeeze, okay, or why it's gonna have its next move pretty soon, which I agree with, right? But we just drawn out another simple thing that you could also throw in the mix. Okay, this is where we are. AMC 9 consecutive red days right here. Okay, with about a 50% drop. All right. The last time you saw even 8 consecutive red days was right here. Okay. Last time you saw it, 8 consecutive red days. You had this pop up, the move. Okay. The move right after the 8 consecutive red days or at some point after. Okay. So if that's not enough for you, the last time you had 9 consecutive red days was right here. Okay. What happened after that? You saw the same thing, a little crank up and then up to 20. Okay. Consecutive red days, a large amount of move. So 9, 8, 9 right now. These are the times shorts are working their hardest to crank the stock to the downside. And this is actually when it hit its lowest at 191. Okay, so that's just another thing that you could throw in the mix, right? As to why why everyone's expecting something soon, right? You could bring up so many different reasons why. AMC 1820 not holding up. Check out the SPY here. Oh, SPY just got obliterated. Absolutely obliterated. I can show you this candle here. Absolutely smacked. Okay, the SPY just got smacked harsh. If this is off of no news, I will be surprised. What is going on? No news here on Webull. Let's check. What is going on here? What is happening? Let's see. The IMF finds that crypto is more popular in countries perceived as corrupt or with strict capital controls and regulation. News. Still not seeing any news here. Stock market. Let's check this. Nope. Dow Jones gains, Tesla stock falls, but Elon Musk signed a rodeo oil. Okay, no. SPY bounced right off its most recent support here at the beginning of the day. We'll see what can hold. Oh, GameStop. Oh no. All right, GameStop AMC got smacked hard here as well. AMC 1818 down about 8% on the day. This has to hold 1810 or I will be very not happy with this. Okay, 1817, low of the day. You have about 7 or 8 cents to go before I want this thing to hold and get a bounce. If this doesn't, you could probably kiss goodbye to 18s and say hello to 16s pretty soon. That's not what we want. Not what we want for AMC. Yeah, I mean, I gave myself a little bit of time, but chances are my calls are probably gonna get obliterated by these move. 1816, new low of the day for AMC. It's crazy how it could just flip, right? We get all of these people, right? 226 million in volume in a single day. All these people, all this game, all these contracts, whatever, a 45% day AMC after 14 and then 18 and whatever, and then it just a fucking rock in the momentum, just absolute hammer fist in the momentum, and boom, 9 red days, not small red days either. It's just absurd how unfair the market is. My puts are up. All right, congrats. Yeah, your puts are definitely up. Definitely up. If this doesn't hold here, your puts are going to be up a lot when this thing comes back down to $16. So I want it to hold. I'm optimistic on it. I'm going to say it's going to hold right around this level at 1810 and get a bounce. Fingers crossed, but we will see what happens here. Also, I don't know. The whole buy puts thing on AMC, it'll help the stock. I'm not for it or against it. I'm just putting this out there. But when a group of contracts go in the money to the up or downside, it's going to help move the stock that direction. So if that's what you're seeing here, right? Trey or whatever, a big part of this community is not recommending it, but saying it's not a bad idea to buy some puts. If that's what happened and the community started pouring in on puts, then of course you're going to expect a few red days. Of course you're going to expect it to bleed. That's already where the momentum is moving. So AMC getting a little bit of a candle here at 1813. Let's see, GameStop bleeding away. 145.93, trying to come back to 146. SPY, I'm against it, but I have to make a little money. Yeah, nope, no problem. Again, anyone that does do it, by all means, make your money. SPY 447, not looking like it's gonna hold here. Yeah, continuing to break to the downside. This is not good. Hopefully the SPY holds right here. 446.90. We want it to hold there. If the SPY doesn't hold here, you're looking at 446.15. So it blows my mind that I can't find the news that. It blows my mind that there's no news coming out about the SPY, and you're dropping, absolutely getting, not just dropping, but you're getting obliterated right now on a few candles, and there's just no news that comes out. Like, how does this happen? SPY getting a little bit of a pop at right where we said. AMC, slight pop, not much, really not much. Let's see here. AMC, 1 million shares available to borrow, 5,000 calls expiring in the money. Looking extremely bearish right now. Let's see. So they went from 100,000 this morning, 18 minutes into market open, to now at 1 million shares available to borrow. Holy shit. Wow. So I actually didn't check up on this in a bit, but this is not good because the market maker is going to have a substantial amount of money or whatever. All of these calls are about to expire worthless in 2 minutes. That's disgusting. If we run next week, this is fucking absurd. Absurd. The gamma that could happen if we start to move next week. So, be optimistic every week, of course, but also bring in the reality that we are down 49% or so in the past 9 days. So overall, we are going to have the update video probably come out tomorrow, most likely. Or I can put it out tonight. You guys let me know in the live chat. I usually put out the AMC update videos on Saturday after the weekend, right? Or like mid-weekend. But I can put it out tonight if you really want me to. I should be able to do that. But I don't know. We'll see. Tonight or tomorrow, you'll see it come out. Let's see. I want to hop off here because you have about 40 seconds. But I'm going to stay on for like a minute or two into after hours because I want to see. Because this is interesting, right? It's a Friday. Down another 8%. I want to see if anything's going to actually click off when after hours hits. This is super interesting here. If shorts, let's see. Shorts just had the opportunity. Their position worth, right, was doubled in the past 9 days. So if no one gets out, okay, after hours hits now. If no one gets out after hours, greed or they're just not ready at all to give up on this is what's happening. So it's now after hours. We're gonna sit here for about a minute, and I want to see kind of if GameStop and AMC are gonna have any type of volatility. Not saying it would even in the first couple minutes, right? It still could in hour in, 2 hours in, usually when it does have some things going on. Yeah, just hanging around here, hoping we'd see something. Okay, looks like SPY is holding up after hours here, trying to. Overall, more so a flat day with the SPY, but then you have a absolute bloodbath on AMC. This is disgusting. We're gonna dig into it, and we will have that update video out either tonight or tomorrow because it is the weekend, so chances are that will come out tomorrow. But I do appreciate everybody hopping in the stream. It was all right, it was a little choppy, a little boring. Just smoke a J while I'm waiting. It's gonna be a long J. We're a few of those, right? Seriously though, I appreciate everybody hopping in here. That's really it. Check all the links down below. I'm working on something behind the scenes right now. We're not gonna announce at all yet, but may or may not put out a video for like the members to see what the behind the scenes is going. So if you are a member, you will see that. Guys, check the links in the description. If you want some free money over the weekend, you'll get some free stocks. You can sell it by AMC, whatever. All right, guys, I appreciate everybody jumping in that.